this video, I'll show you how to create music with Suno. Suno is an AI platform that lets you easily create music in just seconds. In my opinion, Suno is one of the best AI music platforms currently available and offers many useful features for music creation. Let's get started with Make a Song with Suno. Here you can see the web interface of Suno. There's also an app for mobile phones that allows you to create music quickly and easily as well. On the web interface, you'll find various types of content. Similar to streaming services, you get music recommendations, featured and trending creators, and music sorted by category and genre. Suno is not just a platform for creating AI-generated music. It also functions as a kind of music streaming platform. It's always interesting to see what kind of music others are creating and how they design their songs. Now let's create our first song together. By the way, Suno currently offers its newest AI model, version 4.5, which generates even higher quality music than the previous versions. In the menu, go to the Create tab. This opens up various input fields. Under Lyrics, you can enter the text of the song, or you can create an instrumental track with no lyrics at all. You can also select the AI model. In our case, we're choosing Suno version 4.5. Here's a tip. Make sure to follow the right structure when writing your lyrics. You can find helpful info in the Suno Wiki, such as structural tags like intro, verse, chorus, and outro. Another tip, use a second AI tool, ChatGPT by OpenAI. While it's not required to use ChatGPT for creating music in Suno, it can help you generate well-structured, high-quality lyrics quickly and easily. What I did was share the information from the Suno Wiki with ChatGPT and added a prompt asking it to follow that structure when writing lyrics. I also asked ChatGPT to write a YouTube description and generate hashtags as part of the same prompt. Next, we copy the title and lyrics and go back to Suno. Here, we paste in the title and lyrics and adjust a few more settings. In a previous video, I created a persona named Lacuna based on a song generated by AI. With personas, the song inherits properties like melody, vocals, and tempo, and you can reuse them to generate more songs in a similar style. This creates a consistent sound, which is great if you want to build a full album. Now we click Create, and Suno starts generating the song. Within seconds, the songs are ready, and you can listen to them.
breaking through opaline skies where silence glows. Yeah, rise, the rhythm flows. Opaline skies soft and high, melting into morning sky. Opaline skies, hearts align. Yeah, shine, you are mine.
In summary, Suno makes it super easy to create AI-generated music that sounds great and is nearly indistinguishable from music made by real producers with lots of effort. Try it out for yourself and create your first original track. Also, visit abxk.ai for more insights. Have fun making AI music.